everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do a simple addition. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you simple multiplication. Equate nothing, okay? Nothing! So it's what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you multiple of just simple multiplication questions. And then what we're going to do, we're going to, okay, so right here, I'm going to draw a problem. So actually, let me put the way up. Alright, so 1 plus 2 equals. So what do you think this equals? Great! It's 3! Good job! So now let's continue a little bit more. So, 2 plus 3. So what do you think that equals? Great! It's 5! You're doing really well so far. Let's do something a little bit more tricky. So, 4 plus 2 plus 5. 4 plus 2 plus 5. So what do you think that equals? Great, it's 11. You're doing so well. I never seen anyone so good in my life before. So now we're gonna get a little bit more confusing. So 7. No, nothing class, nothing. So 7 minus 5 plus 1. So we get a little bit more confusing. So what do you think this equals? Great, it's 3. I never know you'd be so good at math. So here's the final warm-up one until we get to the hard stuff. So 10 plus 2 minus 11. What do you think this equals? Great, it's 1. And so now we're gonna do multiplication. Multiplication is pretty much doing this. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 6. But instead of it doing it like that long equation, like doing like that, we could do it like this. So 2 times 3, which equals the same amount. So it's a little bit easier. That's just an example. But let's continue on. So next, I want you to try and solve this problem. So what is 4 times 2? What do you think that equals? Great, 8. I never knew you'd be so good at math these days. But you know, I had a lot worse students, but you're doing really well so far. And now I want you to solve 9 times 3. Oh, we're getting a little confusing. Wow. And what do you think this equals? It's 27. Oh my god. But now we're gonna get even more confusing. So 9 times 2, which equals 18 obviously, but then we do plus. And then we have to do that just to get rid of that. And then we have to, you'll see later. Alright, so then we have to, then 3 plus 2, and we put that, and then we equal. So what do you think that equals? Great, 23. But now, we're gonna get a lot more confusing. So, let's do this. So, 3. So we can do stuff like this. We can do 3, 1, and then we can do an I and a V. I mean an N. We can do N, and we can do I, and so it'll always stand for something. So whatever stands for maintenance, and the N is for maintenance, and the V is for venance. So using the words that I've done, we have to multiply them. And yes, we can multiply that, and we get 5. And then we can use the 5 to do a plus 3, and then a plus 10, which equals 18. But now we have to do that, which 1, if you get the 1 and the 8, this is bigger than that. That's why we use a chomp chomp. We might as well put some teeth. Good luck, kids. Do not get nightmares. Then we can connect that to be a 2 right there. We can just barely see it. So we can use a 2. So the 2 plus 1, which equals 3. And now what I've done right there, we're gonna have to twist it up. And now then here, what we gotta do is we have to do the we have to switch over here now. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we are gonna do that. We're gonna put a square that has 4 sides, which sides stand for S I D D E E S S. So that is where our letters are when we broke it up. But now since I broke it up, we have to break this cookie up. So we're gonna put some dots on it. How do you break it up? Well, you have to do that. Just destroy it. So that's what you gotta do to do that. And since what I've just done, we have to put this. We can put that say that. How much size does that have? Great, it's 3. We put that in there, which is a big circle. Big circle. With this big circle, we put a bunch of dots. Can you avoid it? Oh, you did. Great job. But then now we have to put a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and an A7. So let's do a cakewalk. Mary, stop. Hey, wait, number 5 win. You win a cake. I didn't have enough money to make a real cake, so here's your cake. Yeah, take it. Alright, since you took it, now I have to go back here. Now with the cake, I have to throw it and then destroy it in a bunch of pieces. And I go, yeah. That's what happens to the pieces when you don't do what your mama says. So then your mama's mad. So you have to be grounded for 5 years. So breaking it up now, how much days does 5 years have? Because a year has 365 days. So how much does it have? Well, actually, it is this amount. Yeah, I don't really know much, so I'm just guessing. 1,316, done. And so now with this, we're gonna have to break it up again. We have to break it up. We have to break the cookies up. So since we use 3116, then we can pretty much detect them. So we detected all the numbers so far. And then what we can do to do it even more is if we do a signal against them. So there's our signal. We can put that on. We got a triangle, so we fill them in. There you go. We fill the little triangles in, and then we put one big one in. But we don't fill this one in because we need Powell. We need Powell. So Paul, so can you get this golf club all the way to the flag right here? I guarantee you can. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my god. Oh, I knew you would miss. Let's move this here. Great, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Let's give you one more reward. And for the thing I've been wanting to tell you for a while now is we can connect this up to make it as like into that, so that we can like divide stuff. I'm not sure how you divide stuff, but I'm guessing that. And then we can connect this and follow line new. So then to finish up this whole thing, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Avoid class, that's your lesson. The espresso is here. Actually, we're gonna do some more math. Ha ha ha!